Hi guys, I'm outside number 3 Hambidge Place in Bowing. This one with a double lock-up garage. Got beautiful views over there to the valley. This 3-bedroom home is custom built, sitting on 650 plus square meter block. I'll take you through the house. Beautiful. You've got this cathedral ceilings over here. That's the main living area. Very well kept. You've got windows going into this entertainment area, both from kitchen, dining, living area. That's your dining area here. That's another living area, formal living area, kitchen over there, another dining in here. Then you've got the laundry in here, the master bedroom, beautiful master bedroom. Look at that light, guys. And then you've got an ensuite in there, plus walk-in robe. So this one, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, double lock-up garage. This is gonna fly, guys. This is something special. We sell quite a bit of properties in the area. This one definitely takes the cake on everything, because this has a very unique living area, very unique backyard, very well maintained.